In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva. We'll walk through starting your design, customizing it so it matches your brand, and exporting it correctly so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. First, head to Canva and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Facebook cover, or pick it from the suggested templates. This ensures your canvas is the exact dimensions Facebook expects, so you won't have to resize anything later. Next, choose a template for inspiration or start with a blank canvas. Templates are a quick way to get a professional layout, color pairing, and font combination right away. If you're going blank, think about the purpose of your cover: promoting a product, showcasing your brand, or simply setting a mood so your layout supports that goal. Before you add content, keep Facebook's cropping in mind. On mobile, the sides can get trimmed, so place important text, logos, and key images in the center. Imagine a safe zone running through the middle. That's where your critical content should live. Decorative elements can sit near the edges, but headlines and calls to action should be centered. Now customize your design. For the background, use a solid color, a gradient, or upload your own photos or videos. Choose colors that align with your brand and maintain good contrast so text stays readable. If you upload your own imagery, use high-resolution files for a crisp result. Add your uploads logos, product photos, or brand graphics. A transparent PNG logo often works best over images. Keep it at a comfortable size and avoid placing it too close to the edges because of mobile cropping. Add text boxes for your headline and any supporting line. Experiment with fonts, colors, and sizes, but keep it simple. 2 complementary fonts are usually enough. Ensure strong contrast with the background and maintain hierarchy by making the most important message the most prominent. Explore elements to add shapes, icons, or graphics from Canva's library. A subtle shape behind your text can boost readability, and adjusting transparency can create a clean, modern look without overwhelming the design. Refine and edit using Canva's tools. Adjust filters, tweak brightness and contrast, and fine-tune positioning until everything feels balanced. Align edges, keep consistent spacing, and nudge elements for precise placement. When you're happy, click Share, then download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a smaller file size, and export at high quality. Finally, upload the file to Facebook as your new cover photo. Preview it on desktop and mobile to confirm everything sits inside that center safe zone. If something looks off, make a quick adjustment in Canva and re-download. Thanks for watching.